What if I told you that the biggest plague of the digital age was actually born in a frying pan? You think you're deleting junk mail, but you're actually fighting a 90-year-old military ration. This is the bizarre, salty evolution of spam. Go back to 1937. Hormel Foods creates a pink block of spiced ham. It's cheap, it's salty, and it's practically immortal. When World War II breaks out, spam becomes the ultimate survival food. Millions of cans are shipped across every ocean. Soldiers eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is everywhere, too everywhere. By the end of the war, the world is exhausted by it. Spam wasn't just food anymore. It was an unavoidable, repetitive nightmare. Then came the twist. In 1970, the British comedy group Monty Python performed a legendary sketch. In a cafe, every single item on the menu included spam. They started chanting, "Spam, spam, spam, spam," louder and louder, drowning out every other conversation. The joke was simple. Spam is something that repeats itself until you can't hear anything else. Fast forward to the early days of the internet, when the first mass junk emails started flooding chat rooms. People didn't call it unsolicited bulk mail. They remembered the comedy sketch. They saw the relentless, annoying repetition and said, "This is just like the spam song." By the 1990s, the internet officially adopted the name. A brand of pink meat had become a digital virus. Today, nearly 85% of all global email traffic is spam. But here's the kicker. The Hormel company still makes the meat, and they actually don't mind the name, as long as you use a lowercase s for the junk mail and a capital S for their product. Next time you clear your inbox, remember, you're not just deleting data. You're clearing away the ghost of a wartime habit that simply refused to die.